Soccer DBB number 392, and that is 2016 Top Premier Gold. One box break. Last box of EPL for this weekend, guys. Yeah, Champions League Showcase. We only have 3 spots left in the filler. I'll break it right now if we fill it up, guys. So, could do an early break. The board. Here we go. The jersey is regular one. It is N'Golo Kante for Chelsea and Justin. Silver is Kasper Schmeichel to 99 for Leicester City. Andre Gray, Burnley. And we got purple coming after Batshuayi. Purple is for Liverpool. How about Divock Origi to 25 for Liverpool and Ole. Got the GOAT, Bergkamp. Got to 99, Jack Rodwell for Sunderland. Stadium for Palace. Yes, it feels right, right? We got Nathaniel Chalobah for Chelsea. Middlesbrough. Hazard. Sunderland, Stadium of Light. David Luiz. John Stones again. Second one today. City. I think that 101 of this is also in there somewhere, right? Haven't seen it yet. We got N'Golo Kante to end this break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.